literally hurts. It hurts just to see the direction that the world is going in. Why is people so heartless? How? Hi Fibs, good morning, oh, look at these wings. I'm about to fly. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. Say morning. Morning. How are you? Oh, you're okay? Ask them if they're okay. Han. Say hi. Give them bisou. Can they get bisou? Hi Fibs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. You guys, I am tired, I'm drained, I'm popped, okay? Woke up this morning and got my workout in, and I'll show you a bit of me and Tyler running this morning. So yeah, I got my workout in. I ran and then I did abs as usual and got fresh. I had already fed Tyler breakfast before I started running, but of course he wants his orange. Tyler eat at least 2-3 orange per day, and he doesn't want me to juice the orange and give him the juice. He wants to eat the orange like a real Jamaican would normally eat their orange. So you want bus? He want the wheel on the bus go round and round. Okay, mama gonna play bus for you, go. So I had to go put on his song for him. Baby's off to work. I have to go and drop Tyler to the daycare because I have work today. But first, I have some work to do on the computer. I have to make sure I get tomorrow's vlog ready. So I'm about to edit that and try and get that ready before I leave home. And I need to give Tyler a bath, feed him, put him down for a nap, get myself ready, get lunch, and then leave this house. So I'm on a roll as per usual, but I don't mind. When you're busy, your mind will stay right. You won't have time to think negative. You won't have time to focus on what you're not supposed to focus on. So keeping me busy is really good for me. So make sure you guys have a wonderful day. I hope you guys really put out the effort to get your workout in. It doesn't really matter what is it you do. It doesn't really matter how small it is. It will all work out in the end and you'll see your results. It will take time, but it will come. On that note, I'm gonna go ahead and tell you guys to have a wonderful day and stay positive and stay smiling and stay blessed. And I'll catch you guys later. You guys, I guess Tyler is feeling just as tired as I am. It's only 11:30 and he just asks to go for a nap, which he don't normally nap at this time. It would just be time for him to get his lunch, then his bath, then nap by 12:30. But it's 11:30 and he said, Mama, nap. I tried to give him his lunch and he said no, he just wanted to nap. He's such a sweet boy. Don't know what's going on with him, but he's now taking a nap. So I'm finishing up work, and then look at this. It's so annoying. I just need to cut it out already. Gosh. I'm going to get everything together, because now that he's napping, I don't know what time he's going to wake up. I don't know what is going on, so I'm just going to get everything together. That way when he wakes up, I'll at least get most of the things done. You guys, who is this? 2 minutes later. You're a trickster? What kind of catnap was that? 2 seconds? Huh? I know this was gonna happen. This is not you. You ready for lunch now? Lunch? Alright, let's go have lunch. You should name it Naughty baby. You slacker. You're naughty. I'm somebody's wife, oh. I'm somebody's wife. I'm somebody's wife. Okay? I'm somebody's wife. Tyler is finally done for a nap, and I'm taking this opportunity to have lunch, which this is what I'm having. As you guys know, I'm obsessed with smoked salmon lately. So this is smoked salmon that I cannot eat it raw as it is, which they said can be eaten. So I just put it in a little olive oil in the pan and shred it up, put it over some lettuce, and this is lunch. And I am all ready. That way I can pick up Tyler just before the bus comes and be on time for the bus. By the way, this morning I woke up to the shooting in Las Vegas. Listen, every time I see this news, I get chills all over my body, and my heart literally hurts. It hurts just to see the direction that the world is going in. Why is people so heartless? How? I just can't understand it. Anyways, condolences goes out to every single person involved. The artists that were singing Jason Aldean on stage, all the families, and the numbers are going up of people dying. It's just really heartbreaking and sad to see what this world is really becoming. You guys just stay safe and vigilant. It doesn't really matter where you are. But then again, how is it that you guys, how is it that anybody can assure themselves that they're going to be safe? There is no way, there's no assurance to say, hey, I'm going to go to this concert and nothing is going to happen. I'm going to just walk out on the street and nothing is going to happen. There's no assurance that nothing is going to happen. You just have to go about your daily life and pray each day you leave the house that you're going to return back to your family safely. It's just crazy. Go. Go on. Go, baby, go. Come on. Bonjour. Tyler, give me a jacket. Bonjour, give me a jacket.
Maman, elle est toujours avec l'appareil photo. Rien raté. Hein. Voilà, mon homme. Faut rien rater. Hein.
Here. Here. Go on.
Allez, Zou, va.
Bye. Give Mama a bisou. I love you. Later. Bye. Dropped Tyler off at school, and I am going now to take the bus. Some baby's with me, but I'm going to hurry and leave him and go and catch the bus. I'll talk to you guys later.
Hi guys, happy Monday. Yeah, I'm back home got Tyler at the daycare place. He had a good day. Did a little painting, listening stories, and yeah, he was quiet. I should say, like every time he's quiet. So we're just back home. It's around 7:30 now. What a shame to come back home at this time. So yeah, just trying to feed Tyler. I don't know what's wrong today. He don't really want the food. Yes, Tyler's here. He don't really want the food. He's just eating a little bit. I don't know why. Why you don't want to eat the food? Why you don't want to eat the food? Why don't you eat the food? I just put on my workout clothes. Babe's supposed to come anytime now, so I'm going to start to work out. Yeah, I'm going to start to work out now, and see what I can do. It's just hard when you come back that late home to stay motivated and yeah, to go walk out. It's dark outside and you're tired and you want to do something else than doing that. So yeah, let's just try to continue and yeah, let's see what's going on.
Babe working out, getting his running after work. Good job, baby. That's it. Tella say, oh, Tella fixing your mat for you. Oh, sweet boy. You run gone.
Together, my love. Reach for me. 1, 2, good job. 3, good job. 4, give me 5. Give me 6. Good job. Very good. Come on, let's go. We're waiting for you. Come on. We're waiting. Give me 1. Your ass too high. Yes. 2. Reach for him. 3, 4, 5. 1 more. 6. Bravo. Bravo.
You guys, dinner is finished, but baby's dying. So as soon as he's finished, we're gonna eat. Baby's doing so well, but he's dying, and Tyler is killing him twice as much. Daddy. Papa is okay. He doesn't like when I'm cheering, and Papa, he thinks I'm doing something bad, so he gets sad.
What is it now?
Look, Ty, look here. Say night night. Tomorrow. Give them bisou. He loves doing that. Look at him blushing. Who is that? Who is up there? Mama. Yes, and who else? Papa. Yes. Good job, babe. I'm so proud of you. Yes, that baby is Tyler. Is Tyler? Yeah. Alright, you guys, I'm gonna put Tyler to bed. That way babe and I can eat and let him get a fresh and chill for the night.